welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today I am back again with Kawasaki's KZ1000. This is a 1978, and you eagle-eyed viewers out there may have spotted a change that I made to this bike since the last episode. I have replaced the custom seat that was on it with a stock KZ1000 A seat. And to me, I love the cleaner look of the A-style seat. I've actually got an A-style gas tank that I'm also probably going to put on, and I'll have a whole new set of bodywork painted up for this. I'm really looking forward to that. Also, since the last episode, I have gone up on my needle jets for these carburetors, and so we'll go out right now. We'll take a test drive and see how this bike runs. I'm getting close to having it dialed in. It's a cold day today. It's only about 50 degrees. And so I may reserve final testing until it warms up a little bit, but I'm just going to be messing around with the jetting, and I'm going to be messing around with the carburation, trying to get it dialed in that last little bit. Once I'm done with the carburation, then we're going to focus more on the cosmetics of the bike and really getting it top notch.
Once again riding Kawasaki's 1978 KZ1000, and this is an LTD 1000. I brought this as a project bike, and I'm out on a test drive. I had just gone up on my needle jets one size from a 6 to an 8. Just a little bit of a stumble right there at 50. I'll have to go back and check my spark plugs, but already the drivability is much improved, and previously this bike was so lean that it would not idle, and currently the bike idles fine. I've also installed a standard style seat on this bike, and it is much more comfortable than the thin custom seat that I had on it. It pulls really nice. It sounds really good too with the Kirker exhaust. And really, I'm just noticing a little bit of a stumble around 3,000 RPM, but other than that, it seems to pull very nicely. As soon as I get in it, it pulls really, really cleanly. So I may have to adjust my needle height in the carbs, but it is getting closer to being completely dialed in. Yeah, the bike is not nearly as punishing right now with this new seat on it. This is actually an OEM A model seat, and it just fits right on. And I like the look of the A models better. I'll probably put an A model gas tank on this bike as well, and kind of convert it from the LTD into an A model. I just like the styling on the A model a little bit better. That pulls nice.
that was a lot of fun. This thing is just getting closer and closer to being completely dialed in. Again, I have to wait for a little bit nicer day. I don't want to tune it for a 50-degree day and then have it run kind of crappy or too rich on a 70-degree day. I'd rather tune it for a 70-degree day. But we're getting very close. The bike now holds an idle, and it didn't do that before. It was so lean that it would not hold an idle. We're going to keep plugging away at this, and I will keep you informed on the progress. All right, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.